Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing two flavors of dairy-free cold coffee recipe. This dairy-free summer drinks can be enjoyed by those who has allergy to milk or wants to avoid milk for health reasons. So let's get started with the recipe. The first recipe is a cinnamon flavored dark chocolate dairy-free cold coffee. Into my blender, I'm adding in 15 soaked cashew nuts, which I have soaked for about an hour, and in 1 glass of chilled water, or you can substitute with a combination of water and crushed ice cubes. Add in 1.5 tablespoon coconut sugar or as per your taste, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon instant coffee powder, a small piece of cinnamon or you can use 1/3 teaspoon cinnamon powder, a small piece of sugar-free 100% dark chocolate and blend all this really well. Note that I'm using a high-speed 1300 watt blender. Once blended, pour the creamy dairy-free cold coffee into a serving glass. Grate some dark chocolate over it and my super easy, healthy and vegan chocolate cinnamon coffee is ready to serve. See how creamy the coffee is, so much better than store-bought coffee. The next recipe is a vanilla flavored cold coffee, which is my favorite. I'm using vanilla beans in this recipe, and to extract the vanilla seeds, just run a knife and split the vanilla bean into half and then just scrape off the seeds with the back of a knife. Now into my blender, I'm adding in 15 soaked cashew nuts, which I have soaked for about 1 hour, and in 1 glass of chilled water, and this is the glass with which I measured the water. Now split the vanilla bean into half and you can clearly see the vanilla seeds. Just scrape it off with the back of a knife and add it into the blender. Instead of this, you can use vanilla essence also. Now add in 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder. For sweetness, you can add in 2 to 3 soft medjool dates or coconut sugar or even organic unrefined sugar. Blend this all well and once blended, pour it into a serving glass. Sprinkle in a little bit of instant coffee on top and vanilla flavored dairy-free instant coffee is ready to serve. See how creamy the coffee is. So guys, do try these two flavors and let me know which is your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.